only item required by governing board policy. It charts the progress of the use of our budget for the first 3 years of this school year, July, August, September. There's not a lot of information here, really. I mean, it looks pretty typical. You have heard me report at the end of the last school years that we had finished the year in strong shape. For example, this year we were able to bring back health insurance. I'm thinking that's going to get to be more of a challenge. I mean, next year I think our margin of error is kind of going away, and our budget reductions are going to be more challenging as we go forward, and more critical that we watch each line item and things like that. I'm kind of seeing that here. Not a lot remarkable about it. Y'all have any questions?
Mr. Walmer, when we're looking at things quarterly, I'm guessing when we're talking about the percentage of the budget that we've expended, that has a lot to do with when the invoices come in for things, does it not? Especially when you've only got when you're only 1/4 of the way through the year. So, are there issues where you maybe get billed twice a year, and you might? Well, I don't see.
Well, I try to adjust that. I assume we're going to spend our whole utilities budget, and so that's fully encumbered. I do make some adjustments to it. What you'll see though is payroll is 99% either expended or encumbered. I can't account for things like overtime and some of the special pay that we do, so that we bring people in to do projects with. That's not on here and doesn't show up until they work. But all of the salaries are included, either in encumbrances or expenditures. What's not are services and supplies that we've not written purchase orders for yet.
Okay, I see. I was looking at the first page, which didn't have encumbrances, just had expenditures. Oh, actually, it does have encumbrances. I just didn't pay attention to it.
Yeah, and in July and half of August, we don't buy a whole lot, so this first report is typically pretty unremarkable. There's been 3 grants. If you look at the last page, there's 3 grants that have been approved. That's school safety, and the 2 21st century grants are on there, and I add those as they get approved. So there'll be some more information on the next one.
Any other questions? Thank you very much.
Like I said, that's informational. Thank you.
Okay, we're on to general. Governing Board ASBA Policy Advisory